Hello everyone, welcome to our show In Brief, and today I am here to talk about the ongoing war between leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and Election Commission of India, the controversy surrounding it and the background of it. Bihar's special intensive revision of voters list and Rahul Gandhi's allegations of its manipulation by the Election Commission of India to help BJP win elections have turned into a major political issue which have united all the opposition parties. The matter is no more confined to the Supreme Court and legal procedures. The opposition has decided to hit the road to force the Commission's hands to order a comprehensive probe into the allegations across the country. Now, the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, along with several other opposition leaders, took out a protest march on Monday, that is on 11th of August, from Parliament House to the Election Commission's office against the revision of electoral rolls in Bihar and manipulation of voters list as alleged by Rahul Gandhi, but they were stopped midway and they were detained. Now, in its latest counter move, the commission, that is the Election Commission, has issued a notice to Rahul and asked him to provide the documents to prove his allegations. The notice issued through the Chief Electoral Officer of Karnataka rebutted Rahul's allegations that, as per the record presented by the polling agent, one voter, Shakun Rani, voted twice in the Madhevpura Assembly constituency of the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha seat, saying that its preliminary inquiry it was found that the voter voted only once, not twice. The commission alleged that tick-marked documents presented by Rahul at the press conference which was held on 7th of August were not the documents issued by it. So they need to present the documents. Rahul Gandhi recently, that is on 7th of August, dropped what he has been claiming is atom bomb, accusing the commission of inflating the voters list in one of the 7 assembly constituencies in the Bangalore Central Lok Sabha constituency in collusion with the BJP to ensure the party's victory. He said a total of around 1 lakh voters, fake voters, were added to the list in the constituency in 5 different ways, such as duplicate voters, fake and invalid addresses, bulk voters at a single address, invalid photos, misuse of Form 6, which is meant for inclusion of new voters. Rahul Gandhi alleged that Form 6 was misused to include elderly persons as voters. In the SII matter, the commission has refused to prepare or share any separate list of names of people whose names are missing from the draft electoral rolls. The opposition has opened the battle front on the twin issues, SIR and number 1, the voters list manipulations, in the run-up to the Bihar election in November. It might prove a game changer or game spoiler for the opposition. Wait for the events likely to unfold in the coming days. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our show In Brief presented by First Draft.